wake up exhausted. You drink coffee, still exhausted. You go to bed early, wake up tired again. What if I told you it's not about sleep? Let me guess your morning. Alarm goes off, you hit snooze. Not once, 3 times. You finally drag yourself out of bed feeling like you've been hit by a truck. You reach for coffee before you even think. You scroll your phone, already overwhelmed by 8 a.m. By noon, you're running on fumes. By 3 p.m., you'd sell your soul for a nap. By evening, you're too tired to do anything meaningful. Too tired to work out. Too tired to read. Too tired to work on your dreams. So you collapse on the couch. You scroll, you watch videos, you tell yourself you'll start tomorrow. Suddenly, it's midnight. You're still awake. Now you're tired and wired. You finally sleep, and the cycle starts again. Days become weeks, weeks become months. You're watching your life pass by through a fog of exhaustion. Here's the truth nobody tells you. You're not tired because you don't sleep enough. You're tired because of how you're spending your energy. Think of your energy like a battery, but not the kind you charge by sleeping, a battery that charges and drains based on what you do. You actually have 3 energy tanks: physical energy, mental energy, emotional energy. Most people try to fill the wrong tank. You sleep 10 hours, that fills your physical tank, but you wake up mentally drained, emotionally empty, because sleep only refills 1 tank. Here's what's really draining you. Mental drain number 1, decision fatigue. You make 35,000 decisions a day. What to wear, what to eat, what to respond to, what to click on. Each tiny decision drains your mental tank. By noon, you're running on empty, not because you worked hard, because you chose 5,000 times. Mental drain number 2, context switching. You're writing an email, a text comes in. You respond. Back to the email. Wait, what were you writing? Every time you switch tasks, your brain pays a tax. It takes 23 minutes to fully refocus. You're switching every 3 minutes. You're never actually focused. You're constantly paying the switching tax. That's why 8 hours feels like 48. Emotional drain number 1, carrying other people's energy. Someone vents to you, you absorb their stress. Someone criticizes you, you carry that weight all day. You're not just living your life, you're carrying everyone else's emotional baggage. Emotional drain number 2, living for other people. You say yes when you mean no. You do things you don't want to do. You pretend to be interested when you're not. Every fake smile costs energy. Every forced laugh drains your tank. Every time you betray yourself, you leak power. Emotional drain number 3, comparison. You scroll social media, everyone's winning, everyone's traveling, everyone's successful. You feel behind, you feel inadequate, you feel like you're wasting your life. That feeling, that's energy bleeding out. So you're physically okay, but mentally fried and emotionally bankrupt. And then you wonder why you're exhausted. Here's the brutal truth. You're not tired from doing too much. You're tired from doing things that don't fill you up. You're spending energy on things that drain you and nothing on things that charge you. It's like running your engine in neutral, burning fuel, going nowhere. So how do you fix it? Not by sleeping more, by managing your energy better. Here's your new operating system. Rule 1, protect your mental energy. Stop making unnecessary decisions. Wear the same thing every day. Steve Jobs did it. Obama did it. Mark Zuckerberg does it. Not because they're boring, because they're smart. Eat the same breakfast every day. Automate lunch. Remove 50 decisions before 9 a.m. Turn off all notifications. Not just some, all. You don't need to know anything immediately. Your brain needs space to think. Rule 2, protect your focus. 1 task at a time. Not 2, 1. Work in 90-minute blocks. Deep focus, no switching, no checking, just one thing. You'll do more in 3 hours of focus than 8 hours of distraction, and you'll have energy left over because focus doesn't drain you, distraction does. Rule 3, protect your emotional energy. Learn to say no, not rudely, but firmly. I can't take that on right now. That doesn't work for me. I need to pass. Every no to someone else is a yes to yourself. Delete social media from your phone. Seriously, just for 30 days. See what happens. You'll feel lighter, more present, less anxious, less tired, because you stopped comparing. You stopped consuming everyone else's highlight reel. Start processing your emotions. 5 minutes every morning. Journal. Write how you feel. Don't post it, don't share it. Just process it. When you process emotions, they stop draining you. When you suppress them, they leak energy all day. Rule 4. Do things that fill your tanks, not just things that empty them. Most people only do draining activities, work, chores, obligations. They never do filling activities. Here's a difference. Draining, scrolling social media. Filling, reading a book you love. Draining, watching TV you don't care about. Filling, creating something, anything. Draining, small talk with people you don't like. Filling, deep conversation with people you love. Rule 5. Move your body, not to burn calories, to generate energy. Movement creates energy. Stillness depletes it. You think you're too tired to work out. The workout is what gives you energy. Just walk. 20 minutes. No phone, no podcast, just walk. Your mental tank will refill. Your emotional tank will stabilize. Your physical tank will activate. Rule 7. Get sunlight within 30 minutes of waking. Not through a window, outside. Real sunlight. This sets your circadian rhythm, tells your body it's daytime, tells your brain to make energy. You'll sleep better at night, wake up more energized in the morning, without changing anything else. Rule 8. Eat real food, not food products. Food. Processed food is like bad fuel. It runs your engine but damages it. Real food is premium fuel. You run better, last longer, feel stronger. Cut caffeine after 2 p.m. I know, you love your afternoon coffee. It's destroying your sleep, which destroys tomorrow's energy. Trade 2 hours of alertness for 8 hours of restoration. Do these things for 2 weeks, just 2 weeks. You'll notice something strange. You're not tired anymore. Here's what nobody tells you about energy. It's not about how much you have, it's about how you spend it. Some activities drain you and give nothing back. Some activities charge you while you do them. The secret isn't doing less, it's doing the right things. When you live aligned with your values, when you do work that matters to you, when you're around people who energize you, you don't get tired the same way because you're not forcing yourself through life, you're flowing through it. That's the difference. Forcing drains, flowing fills. Most people are exhausted because they're living a life that drains them, a job they hate, relationships that deplete them, habits that numb them. You can't energy hack your way out of a life that's wrong for you, but you can start making different choices, small ones, today. You were never meant to be tired all the time. You were meant to feel alive. Energy isn't something you run out of. It's something you cultivate. It's something you protect. It's something you choose. Every morning you have a choice. Drain your tanks on things that don't matter or fill them with things that do. Imagine waking up in 30 days. No alarm, just awake. Clear-headed, energized, ready. Imagine having energy left at the end of the day, energy to work on your goals, energy to be present with people you love, energy to actually live, not just survive. You have 2 paths. Keep doing what you're doing, stay tired, stay stuck, and change everything. It starts with one decision, one boundary, one morning routine, one walk outside, one real conversation. You're not broken. You're not lazy. You're not weak. You're just spending your energy on the wrong things. Change that, and everything changes. Here's your challenge. Pick 3 rules from this video. Just 3. One way to protect your mental energy, one way to protect your emotional energy, one way to fill your tanks. Do them for 14 days. Not perfectly, just consistently. Track how you feel, morning and night. Rate your energy 1 to 10. Watch what happens. You'll sleep better, think clearer, feel lighter, actually want to wake up. Because you're not just managing your energy anymore, you're building a life that gives you energy. Stop being tired, start being alive. The choice is yours. Make it today.